As you can see here, the whole case is plugged. I got you on video, Bohork.
Oh, man.
We got Bohork. And someone's here. Let's see who it is. Someone who doesn't live here. Hi. How are you?
Hot.
You look hot.
My mother got here?
She left already. She said she couldn't wait for you.
Why are you recording me for?
Shake it off like anything. What's that?
This is sugar-free fresh strawberry cheesecake.
Sugar free? I see you listening to Michael Jackson.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Wow. What did my mother open her presents?
No.
Where's Carmen Savannah?
I don't know. Let's go find out.
George! Hi. What time she left?
It's the bronze girl. Look, bronze.
Where's Savannah?
Bronze.
Behind you.
And the
Hi, Savannah.
squirrel
What
girl.
happened to her? Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
Yeah, George. So you've been here a month and a half already. No, you've been here 2 months in New York. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
That's it? Pretty good? Not like I never want to leave, you punk?
No. Damn.
Sasha? Sasha? Japan 4. Alright, let's go, yo.